Yo, welcome to the first episode of Auto Race Garage on the 1966 Mustang project. And today we'll do some interior cleaning because this thing is nasty. It's got a lot of spider webs and it's pretty dirty. So before I do that, I want to pull these seats out because they don't slide. I think their brackets are rusted or something. So hopefully we'll pull the seats out, clean the slides up, and then they start sliding. And then we're gonna give this thing a deep cleaning, a deep vacuuming, get all these extra parts out, and yeah, we'll go from there. Let's pull these seats out. All the bolts are under the car. Hopefully I can slide under there without jacking this thing up. Alright, so this is the issue why these will not slide. These things are rusty. I don't know. I'm gonna try to clean them up. I did see replacements ones for fairly cheap, reasonable price. But if I could save a few dollars, I'm gonna try and clean them up. So I ain't gotta replace them. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna try to take these off so I can really clean them really well. And I'm not exactly sure how they come off. I'm just guessing they bolt here. Yeah, it feels like it. Alright, after further looking at them, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and replace these. They are pretty bad shape, so I just ordered some new ones for both seats. Alright, so we vacuumed it up, looking a lot better. This carpet is trash. Definitely needs replacing. It's wet under here. I don't know what's going on there. I mean, it did rain the day we bought it, so I gotta figure out why this carpet's where's water getting through from. But now we're just gonna wipe down these seats, trying to get the rest of these cobwebs off, and that should be it. We kind of know where we're going here. I got a thermostat there. I love that. Some miscellaneous bolts. This door panel. The door panel is almost good. I got a couple scars here and there. I don't like this. This thing is beat up. I prefer one without the full center console. I prefer it with just the just the shifter there, and then you can have some cup holders there or whatever. But we'll see what wifey wants. If she wants this, then we'll try to find a replacement one. It's in better shape, but we'll see. For now, I'm gonna finish wiping these seats off and wipe this dash off and try to shine her up. Alright, so I got the parts in. I got the new seat tracks for both seats, and then I got 2 sets of seat belts for the driver and passengers. I need to change all 4, but I just got those 2 for now. Let's get these boxes opened up, or 1 box. Alright, so I got these parts from CJ Pony Parts, and I got a lot of stuff for these Mustangs, and for decent prices too. Them. And it got here pretty fast. Yeah. Where you go? Got the little thing too. The spring as well. Then the seat belt here. It's a little different from the one that's in there, but it doesn't matter. I think the one that's in there, the buckle is black, like plastic. But, let's get these tracks on the seats. Now, before we put that seat track on, I've been soaking the hardware for the seats in apple cider vinegar for about 2 days to clean up a lot of this rust. Now they do sell the hardware. You can just buy new ones, which is they're cheap too. But I mean, I decided just to soak them. I mean, they came out really clean. So I didn't. Yeah, I mean, this stuff came out really clean. Look at that. Before they was all rusty. All that rust came right off. So, no need to buy it. Alright, so I'm gonna get this thing on here. These slides are super easy to install. Just Phillips head here. Got the spring on there. That was tough. Now we gotta put this thing on here. Figure out how this goes. Alright, so I got it all set up. I got this part on there nice and tight. Spring on there. Advice: before you put the rails on, put these on there, because they're hard to get on with the rails on. And I didn't want to take the rail off because I did not want to take this spring off. So let's just set this in the seat in the car and make sure that they slide before we bolt it in. Alright, so the seat's back in there, bolted down, sliding. Now we're gonna get this buckles in here. Real simple. Just gotta take this one out, and then that one's a Torx. So let me pull these out. I'm not gonna be able to film really easy. Well, I can try. Alright, let's try to get this out. Hopefully this fits. Real simple. That's not really tight. I mean, there's only lap belts in here, so I don't know how safe you're gonna be, but that's not that tight. Alright, so for this side, I had to use the original one because the other one was too long. But this one worked fine, so new buckles. This thing backwards. Oh, there we go. So there we go. New buckles. Looking nice. Let me go ahead and put this side in before I put this seat in. So here we are. Both seats are in. New seat buckles, seat belts. I gotta get the seat belts for the back, but yeah, here we are. Both these things slides now, and we can move on to next project. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. A lot more stuff I gotta do to this car. I gotta rebuild the whole suspension. The whole front suspension is just junk. This thing handles like crazy. It's wobbly. So that'll be coming up very soon. Also gotta do the suspension on the truck there. I'm actually gonna do that tomorrow, so I'll be doing that first before I do the Mustang. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and catch y'all later.